like this. Right, and I'll just say sin x equals 0.3. 0 is less than or equal to x, and then x is less than or equal to 360, right? So what you want to do is you want to find all of x within from 0 to 360. So basically just follow this thing on the right here. So you want to just go into view window, right? So you want to go graph on your calculator, you want to go into view window, you want to go x min. So for this it will be 0. You can tell from that. So it will be 0, x max will be 360, right? Because of that. Scale will be 1. Y minimum will be, just go for -3, and Y max will be 3. It doesn't actually matter too much what they are, but I just like to go say -3 and 3 just so you get a full, so you can see the graph properly. See, because these right here only denounce what the x values will be, right? And then again the scale will be 1. So then change the angle, so that little thing there means angle, and then change that, since we're working in degrees, as you can see by that, change it to degrees, right? And so you just enter that into your calculator and you get 17.5 degrees. And then you enter this part here into this part here, right? And your calculator, y1 on the graph bit, and then you enter 0.3 into y2, right? So you put those in. You put those in like that, and then you push draw equation, then you press intercept, and you get 17.5 and 162.5 degrees. Right? Good. Good. So I'll just rub this out. So I'll just leave the y minimum and y maximum at -3 and 3, with the scales also at 1. You don't really need to do anything else for the scales. Okay, so number 2, tan x, same thing, 0, but now you want to make the y max pi, right? And also, so you want to make that pi. And then, so you also make the angle in radians. Just shift menu, and you can change that to radians, and you enter tan x into here. So I'll just do this really quick. Tan x, and then to the intercept, and you get 1.1. Okay? Cool. Easy, right? It's very, very easy. Now, I'm going to the third question. Same thing. So, actually, we're all going to be in radians again. And 0 to pi, once again. Now, you just enter just that whole thing. 3 sin, you don't have to do the brackets if you don't want. 3 sin x plus 2, and then 1 instead. Okay? Cool, we've all got that. And then, so, well, we're in pi, actually, in radians again. So, I'm just doing big black reads right there. And exactly the same thing here, except now you do want to put in the brackets. Okay, so it would be tan, just in the calculator, bracket 2x minus 1 equals 1. And from there you would get 199.5. I implore you to just follow along with these equations with your calculator, just so you know that you're getting it right, if you don't already know how to do this. Okay, we'll move on to the, it's in radians again. Oh well. It's good to just, rub it. Oh, I just rubbed that out. Oh well. It's always good to know what you're doing though. Okay, so Yeah, so 5, here we go, sorry. So 2 sin squared x plus sin x. Okay, so 0, and this time will be 2 pi. It's -3 again, and 3. 1 and 1. Angle to radians. So on your calculator, so I'll do it over here. I'll do it on both of these. So on the calculator, you need to type 2, right? Then bracket sin x squared plus sin x. And then the y2 will be obviously 0. So again, 2 sin x squared plus sin. And you don't need a bracket for the second x. Now this is because on your calculator, if you put sin squared x like that, it won't read it properly. What you're doing is you're square, when the squared is there, right, it's actually squaring the whole sine function. So so that's why you put the brackets there, otherwise your calculator will just be like, what the hell's going on? We just write it like that, but really, if you were to put brackets around it, that's what it would look like. I mean, I'll give you an example. 2. That's basically, oh sorry, that was really bad too. That's basically 2 squared right there, right? If we had brackets around it, and it's the same deal with sin, right? Sine. I kept saying sin, but with sine, it's just we put it before the x. So x equals 0, 3.14 and 3.67. Cool, easy stuff. And sorry I got that wrong. It's ISCT. I'll just double check that. Yeah, ISCT, which also stands for intercept. Okay, so that was the achieved stuff. Thanks for watching. It's all the easy stuff. And I should hopefully get all the other ones out before next week, because that's when I have my test. I mean, in 1 more week I should have all the trigonometry videos out, because that's when I do my test. So thanks guys for watching, and study hard.